Hi yogis, welcome to A Yogi Like Me. Today we're going to learn a breath technique called Relaxation Breath. This is perfect to do at the end of the day when you're in bed trying to fall asleep, or if you had some type of stressful interaction in your life and you just need to bring yourself back down from that. So it's pretty basic. We'll inhale for a certain count, maybe 3, 4, or 5, and then we exhale for twice as long. You do in through the nose and out through the nose as long as you're capable of that. Otherwise, mouth breathing is fine. And you want to do it in a comfortable position. So either seated in a meditation or easy seat, or maybe laying down in the bed or on a couch. So get situated and we'll get started. We'll do 10 rounds together. Usually it takes about 10 rounds for your nervous system to catch on that you are starting to relax, that your breath rate is slowing down, and that really helps your heart rate, your stress level, your muscle tension, all of that. So we'll start off first round, get situated, and inhale through the nose for 1, 2, 3, and exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale 1, 2, 3, exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A few more left. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And last one, inhale and exhale. All right, you can relax, breathe naturally. That is a little taste of our relaxation breath. We did it for a count of 3 in and 6 out. If you're comfortable, you can increase that to 4 and 8, or maybe even 5 and 10 once you get some practice in. We'll see you next time.